Welcome back. You're still in Module 3. You're still writing. This is the last video of this module. So before you go, I have just a few quick things that I need you to recognize. And believe me, you're doing the hard part. I really appreciate your patience. You're almost there. So look at what you've done. You've created a first draft of your essay. Congratulations. You've talked about the intro. We've talked about the middle. We talked about the conclusion. You've looked at all these different elements, and now you're finally here. Understanding no matter what you've put on paper, it will be messy, and that's okay. Remember, no stressing about the word count right now through the first draft. Hopefully it's on the higher end, maybe closer to 400 or 500, maybe 600 words. It's always easier to cut down and to build up. Even if it's 800 words, don't sweat it. If you didn't, you know what? If you didn't even get 400 words the first time, that's okay too. Just promise me you're going to repeat the steps above, flesh out the opening and middle and conclusion wherever it needs some work, and then you will have enough content. As you wrote, you should have used the following parts of the plan for success process. Very important that we go back through this again, right? So we talked about answering the prompt. That was the big part there. We're going to talk about watching the length when we talked about revising and proofreading. You're authentic, right? You're going to be authentic. Great. Narrate your story. Awesome. Follow the formula. That's what I needed you to do. All right? On your essay, avoid repetition. That's part of the revision part. Did you tell me a story? Did you use appropriate language? Consistent, careless. We're going to talk about that a little bit more. I need you to know that just by doing this exercise, by listening to this course, by putting your fingers on the keyboard, you are exceptional. And I really mean that. I'm not saying that just because it's the nice thing to say. No. You've done something that many people are intimidated by. Congratulations. We're going to go back to remembering the structure in the next module. And you know what? By knocking this out, by feeling good about it or decent about it, believe me, you're going to stand out in committee. So, in the next module, you're going to how to apply the other pieces to the plan for success process that you haven't used yet, and you're going to hear more of the points that I need you to know that's really going to polish this essay and make it awesome. But before you do that, make sure that you went through the steps, your time management steps, to get this done. Your intro, your middle, your conclusion. You took 30, you took a break. You wrote for 20, you took a break. You wrote for 10, you took a break. All that has happened now, and now you deserve a genuine break. So I want you to know that I'm proud of you. I'm looking forward to seeing you again in Module 4. Celebrate yourself, and then we're going to revise and proofread this thing and make it awesome.